Hello. I wanted to say thank you. Thank you for your support and your enthusiasm for the Bruny Island Bird Festival. We had an incredible year. There were 4 fantastic days of weather, wonderful bird life, and an incredible diverse mix of people who attended all the events over the 4 days. So thank you so much to those who attended, to those who volunteered, to those who presented, to those who sponsored. Thank you to the partners for trusting me to help pull this together. It's been such a privilege to be part of this festival. And something I've heard from many of you over the last few days is how much it meant to you, not just as a celebration of the joy and beauty of bird life, but as a way of getting together with others who care as deeply and as passionately about helping to protect and conserve the environment. And some days it's tough when you feel the news is all moving in the wrong direction, and things like the Bruny Island Bird Festival can really help you to see how many other people are out there caring, passionately working towards fantastic projects that really are making a difference. Thank you to you all, and I hope to see you next time.